Hey guys, how we doing today? Quick peek. Haha. So, getting her there. Guys, we had such a busy week. Today, first day off, my body was destroyed. Let's see. Show you what we did here. This was Saturday. I tried to get out of it, but they really needed it done. So a lot of construction materials. And see if I can jump up here. Man, that stuff right there, this wall board, you can't really tell from this picture, but I swear that stuff's an inch thick, and you would not believe how freaking heavy it was. Some of it was like ½ inch, ¾ inch, but every bit of it was just heavy. And then had to get the rest of these bricks. And under that tarp is just more of that wall board. This was the same lady that we got all the aluminum and these bricks from, that had the shed. She bought the house. She's from New England. Excuse me. And I bet she has dropped freaking $15,000 into remodeling this place inside. So how you guys doing? Hope you're having a great week. I did get a couple pieces from copper from her. This big old piece here. Got those 2 doors. Let's see, what else happened this week? Those cast that came from that big job. Got me another aluminum wheel. Excuse me, gosh. Let's see. So, yeah, we can jump into this. All right, so these are from those apples that got off dude's truck. Check this out. This is like before they made gold fingers. Well, not before they made them, but you know.
Hello.
Hey, buddy. It's my grandson. And but I had never seen these on boards before. But they did it for this too. My grandson's here trying to get my phone from me. Not happening today. Maybe in a little bit, buddy. I'm still expecting some calls. But I thought that was pretty neat. So I'm going to probably pull the pins out of these guys. If they come easy, I'll pop these 2 off. So thought I'd show you guys these boards. I went ahead and left everything together basically, and just pulled the boards out. It did have, let's see, I ended up with I don't know, what is it, 10 hard drives. But look at this. Where'd it go? Oh, did I cover it up? Yeah, I think I covered it up. That's 1 gig. I had one in here. It was like 3.2 megabytes. Got these CD-ROMs. Normally, I only break CD-ROMs down when they're the large ones like this. The ones that are like this big here, I just throw into the pile and take the 12 cents a pound. All these vintage computers, I guess it was a good thing I decided to go ahead and scrap them, because the bottoms of every one had rust and or mold. So I don't know. You know, I could probably take my time to sell this stuff, and you know, like this card, for instance, old graphics card. I mean, this card itself might be worth $10. It might be worth $100. But honestly, I just like you know, throwing them in the pile and getting the scrap value out of it and going on. Huh. That looks decent. Every once in a while I look them up. Of course, out of these, if there wasn't very many crystal oscillators at all. Normally, the gold band, I didn't find any. Look at that. That's probably the newest card I have anyway. Thought that was kind of interesting. I don't know. I just don't know enough about computers. I can tear them down, but you know, I know like an old modem. That may have been an old modem there. I don't know. Okay. But we'll just send these in. I'll take the, I don't know, what is it, $4.25, $4.50 a pound on them. And then this one came out of that Apple, but it's not gold fingers, it's gold pens. And then this is a newer computer there. So, some decent guys here. These are all considered large socket motherboards. They're at $4.25 a pound. And I don't know about the other yards around the country, but the ones that hold slot processors, I get $4.25 a pound for those too. But I know you guys are as interested as I am. So let's grab a flathead and check out some of these check out some of these CPUs. Gosh, the sun having its way with me today. Let's see. That's that Apple one I told you about. Kind of weird looking, ain't they? Wow. Well, that's pretty.
Daddy.
Hold on a minute.
I need you to cut another dog off.
Alright guys, I'm back. So, no, I'd use a jigsaw. Yeah, so we got the ceramic on top, really nice pins on the bottom. And these should both be gold. Yeah, and they are. So, large socket CPU. And here we've got gold. these are probably 10, and they are. But the only problem with this guy is I don't think I'll get large socket motherboard for this. That's more than pins. So I may just end up just popping off all these chips and taking these pins. I don't know. I'll ask him. The guy's he's not very nice, in my opinion. So let's check this one out. It's like a AMD K6. $1997. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Where should I put these? I'll put him over there. Woo. I wonder if this fit. Oh. Alright, we'll check him out in a minute. Looks like 486 though. Maybe a 386. One of these was marked 386. Slot processor, I think it's P2. And black fiber, but we'll take it, right? Some gold's better than no gold. Intel Pentium. Didn't even have none of the thermal grease on it. You know what? Noticing none of these do. The guy that was putting these together, I'm not so sure. I don't know. Maybe he was saving them because he had no thermal grease and he was going to put them on later. There was only like 3 of them. 2 or 3 that had the hard drives in them. And then like 2 or 3 of them had 2 hard drives apiece. So, let's see where we're at. And this guy, I want to look at him because, can I get that off of there easily? Probably not. At least not when I got one hand tied up using the camera or using the phone. I don't really like prying CPUs up because one of the first CPUs I got, I did that and like 50% of the pins stayed, there it goes, now let loose, stayed in the machine. So, is he just glued on top? Maybe. Alright, I'll lay him here. We'll pull those off at the end. Let's see, that one's done, that one's done. Another AMD K6. My wife was like, why are you working on your day off? I mean, she didn't call it work when I had to go to the store with her. I consider that more work than this. It's a pretty long CPU. Will I get lucky? No. Another Pentium. We'll take it though, right? I know. this is probably about as interesting as watching paint dry. And let's see, I showed you that one. I've got one left, right? Ow. Down here. And looks like another black fiber. Okay. Ooh, I just noticed that blue one says an overdrive socket. Dun, dun, dun. All right. So, let me see. Right there. Let's see if I can set this up to where you can see what I'm doing. Ow. Huh. Well, part of it came off. I'll have to go at that later, guys. It's pretty stuck on there pretty good. I don't know what, I've never had a CPU looking quite like this. I mean, I may have and just don't remember it, but alright. And this one. Okay. And it is focus. Sorry, I'm out here in the light and I can't tell if it's focusing or not. But it's an AMD X5 P75 something. But we'll take it, right? So let's see, that's what we got today. This one here. And then the slot processor. But I don't feel like trying to get that open. I'm already a little embarrassed the way that other one kicked me. But that's it, guys. I did get one of these. Original floppy. Look at them pretty fingers there. Man, sorry, it's not focusing or something. And then I'm just gonna get off here and get this all rounded up, and I'll get back with you. Oh wait, I did have something else I wanted to show you. So this, we were going through boxes, tossing them at the dump, and came across an entire set of Sterling Silverware. Sterling Silverware. But yeah, I don't know if I think the lady may have gotten this for her wedding and is now going through a divorce. So I believe she just chose to get rid of it. So, but we find that a lot. It's a really nice set. There we go. But I'll send these off to the refiner. So that's it for now, guys. I'm gonna get off here and get to work. Like I said, it's been a rough week. And I really just want to go in here and watch TV. I've been out in this heat a few hours now. I keep these for whenever my grandkids come up and say, "Can we help you?" I said, "Sure, absolutely," and I hand them a pair of scissors. Couple more things in there. I think I'll probably be making a trip. Take this stuff in here in a couple weeks. Got some really nice pins the other day out of those Wi-Fi access points. Got that orange tone to them. It's gold over brass. So you guys have a wonderful week, and remember that you can achieve anything in life that you want to achieve, but you got to work at it. You know, I believe in The Secret. If you don't know what that is, look it up. But the main thing that people get wrong with The Secret and manifestation is they don't do anything. You can't just sit there and hope. You have to do on your part. You know, you have to set a goal for yourself and go after it. And then the universe will start manifesting things in your life to make achieving that goal a lot easier. And we'll catch you guys later. Dream on.